Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of What the Chart Says. On this episode, we'll be looking at some stocks in the consumer goods sector of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. All right, we selected some stocks based on certain criteria that we saw in the previous video when we reviewed the weekly data from the Nigerian Stock Exchange. If you want to see the criteria how we selected this stock that we want to review under the consumer goods, you can look at the description section below and click on the link under the Nigeria weekly review data. Okay, thank you. Let's go ahead. This is our disclaimer. It takes a few minutes to look at the disclaimer, but the summary of it is in the last paragraph. BullBear is not taking responsibility for trading or using this video to invest. If you want to invest based on this video, kindly contact your financial advisor. Okay, all right, let's go to the chart now to review the stocks in the consumer goods. Okay, I might be switching over between this website investing.com and Financial Times. Recently I've been using investing.com before, but recently we have some spurious data coming in. I don't know the reason why, but I intend to contact the company to know why later in the future, but in the meantime we'll be using Financial Times as well. All right, let's go. The first stock we'll be looking at is NASCON. Let's see the chart of NASCON. For your information, this is only technical analysis. We are not looking at the fundamentals here. All right, let's start from the monthly data. Okay, yeah, this is not bad. NASCON it looks good between 8 naira, and this is 950. Between 8 naira and 950. 950 to 10. Let's say 8 naira to 10 naira. Looks good. That's on the monthly, but let me see this website. Oh, okay. There is it's not looking good actually. All right, let me stick to this one. Let's go to weekly data and see what do we have. In terms of the weekly, this is inverted armor, so we have some good support at 10 naira. This is 950. On the higher time frame, on the monthly that we saw, you can see the supports start from from 8 naira. From 8 naira, this is looking interesting. This is from 8 naira to 10 naira. I'm telling you. But you need to be conservative. 10 naira looks. NASCON is not doing badly. I think I want to be conservative. I'll stick to 950. NASCON. 8 naira to 950. 8 naira to 950. 10 naira is too close to the price. So 950 might be a fair value for NASCON. Okay, let's go to the next another one. The next one we have here is Dangote Sugar. Dangote Sugar. All right, Dangote Sugar. Okay, let me see on this because this is more user friendly than the Financial Times platform. Dangote Sugar. Dangote Sugar. Yeah, the data, the weekly data looks good here. I think we look. Oops, the monthly is not looking good. Monthly is not looking good. Weekly is good. Okay, we'll come back to weekly here. Yeah, let's see monthly on this chart on this platform. Go to 5-year view. Yes, in terms of monthly support seems to be at this too far. Seems to be at 11 naira. About let me say 10 naira. It's 10 naira here. Let me see 10 naira monthly again here. Yes, looks like it's 10 naira. As a matter of fact, it's between, let's say, from 980 980 to 11 naira. 980. Let me see the weekly again. Yes, 980. Dangote Sugar is 980 to 11 naira. 980 to 11 naira. Let me see weekly here, just be sure that the data is good. And the weekly 9 months. Let me see 6 months. Mm, 980 to 11. 11, there's nothing at 11 here. Wow. What's going on with investing.com? Not sure. Oh, it's daily, sorry. It's daily. Let's see 9 months. Okay. 9 months, 11 naira. Yeah, that's yeah, it's correct then. Let's see again. Showing some strength here. The data here are not the same. Man, no, no. Let me stick to this platform. I'll stick to this one. So it's showing 980 to 11. It's still the same, but the data looks 980 to 10. We have 10 to 11. Actually, to 1150. To 1150. 980 to 1150 for Dangote Sugar. 1150. 980 naira 9 naira 80 kobo to 11 naira 50 kobo. Dangote Sugar. 1050 will be more optimistic. Let me be conservative. So 11 naira will be a good idea, but it depends on the price this week. But 1150 is not bad. Yeah, 1150 is not bad, but that's on the upside. Okay, let's see the next one. We've looked at NASCON, we've looked at Dangote Sugar, Cadbury. Yes, that's another good one. Cadbury recently. Okay, let's see the chart on monthly first. I think I will stick to weekly. The daily is alright. So what do you have on the monthly? It's getting momentum, it's getting some strength. I'm telling you, this is between 6 naira, um, 6 naira, let's say 6 naira 50 kobo. 6 naira 50 kobo to the current value of 8 naira. Let me see weekly. See whether there is any positive thing. In terms of the, I will stick to weekly here. I'll stick to weekly here. So it's yeah, 6 naira to 7 naira. Cadbury 6 naira to 7 naira. 6 naira to 7 naira. Cadbury 6 naira to 7 naira. But it's just made. Wait a minute. It just made a. Last week bull was very powerful. So let's see. 7 naira 30 kobo. 7 naira 30 kobo might not be bad. 7 naira 30 kobo might not be bad. Let me see the other websites whether we have good data there for Cadbury. Cadbury. Nah. Cadbury. Cadbury Lagos. Yeah, the same data. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that is. So naira 30 kobo. Yes, it's correct. Between 6 naira to 7 naira 30 kobo. For Cadbury, it's between 6 naira 30 kobo, but if you want to stay with 7 naira, I want to be more optimistic on this one. So also don't go to sugar. 7 naira 30 kobo. That's what I go for. 7 naira 30 kobo. Then if price can drop to 6 naira, I can add more. Okay, let's go to the next one. Unilever. Yeah, I think Unilever has some good stories last week. Let me see whether we have good data here. Unilever Lagos. We have Lagos here. Yes, Unilever Lagos. Any good data? Yeah, that we have good data on the weekly. Let me see monthly. Let's start from the let's see monthly here. Unilever. All right, Unilever Lagos. On the charts. We expand it. Let's see the monthly data. Unilever monthly data, it just started to look bullish. It's we found the bottom here at 10 naira, about 10 naira 20 thereabouts. Oh, this 10 naira, about 10 naira. That was in April, and the pullback. So the pullback is above 10 naira. So in terms of the weekly, let me see weekly here. To ascertain that I have good data here. Okay, I'm telling you 10 naira, between 10 naira to 12 naira. 10 naira to 12 naira. Unilever, 10 naira to 12 naira. We'll be looking at some number of stocks here. So the next one is a Vitafoam. Vitafoam, I'm not going for Vitafoam. It's already making, while other stocks are falling, it's just going high. So that might be fund recycling. Fund might be going to another stock. Vitafoam. Some people that have made good money here, they might want to dispose it while other stocks are rising there. So they sell this one off and go to another stocks. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So at the high side, so I'm expecting pullback. If the price can pull back to between 3 and 4, we'll look at the data later. Between 3 and 4 for now, that is what we is on the table, but I'm not recommending Vodafone. All right, let's see some beauties. Before we go to beauties, let's see MTN Nigeria. MTN Nigeria. 5-year data charts, then 5-year data, then we expand it. Do we have good data on this one? MTN Nigeria. I think I have recommendation for the stock when it was around 100. Okay, yeah, good one. Let's see. Weekly is good. So it's on the high now. It's made. Do we have high highs? No, no high on the weekly. Let me see the daily. No, the data is not good on the daily as well. Okay, so let's wait for a pullback here for now. So what's the monthly saying? So there's likely be a rejection. Selling pressure is going on. It might come back to 110. It might come back to 110 or 120. So 111. I'll come back to 110. The price closed at 119 last week, Friday. So it may come back to 110. So the support is actually at 110 and 110 between 110 and 112, 110 to 112. Okay, let me see the weekly whether we can have something good here. Yeah, the same thing. The same thing. It's losing momentum. It's been rising, very fantastic. So it's losing momentum now, but let's see if price can come down to 110. What do we see the other time? I think it's 110. Yeah, 110. Let's see the weekly again. Looks like it's weekly is showing some higher value. Low. Okay, this lower value. Yeah. So 105. Weekly is showing 105. 110. Actually, there's no. It doesn't have good data here. So I think 105 for MTN Nigeria is 105. 105 to 115. No, 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 no. You might find some support at 115, but let's see. Let's see. But I want to be a bit pessimistic. Conservative, sorry. I'll be more conservative on MTN. It's not moving very fast. So 115 or even 100 to 110. 100 to 110 MTN. 100 to 110. I want to be conservative on MTN. It doesn't have good long-term stories to talk about. So yeah, 100. If anybody that's interested, 100 to 110 is good for the stock. Alright, so Nigerian breweries, I think I read a couple of good news about Nigerian breweries recently, so there might be some good opportunity coming from the breweries. Nigerian breweries, NB, I think I put out SB, NB, yes, good data. So it's going 36 now, and for now, I think if we test 34 again, between 30 and 34, 30 and 34 for next week, Nigerian breweries, 30 and 34. We have some international investors coming into the stock, and we have to be a bit You don't have to be conservative here. So otherwise the price will continue to go higher. So let's see 34, 34, yeah, 34. Between 30 and 34. Nigerian breweries. The next one is Guinness. There's good news from Guinness as well. Guinness, Nigeria. Yeah. So you find support at 13 naira. Let's see about 14 naira. Let me see this other website. I don't trust what investing.com is giving me. Guinness. Lagos. Charts. So it closed 5 naira. Is it giving 12 naira? That's 15. Oh, sorry, 1540. This is 15. So they're not saying the same thing. So let's say monthly data. Monthly data, yeah. The month has been a bit bullish. So the week is what we want to go to now. Let's see the week data, the weekly data. Yes, that is it. 14 naira. 14 naira is a support, recent support. But let me see. Let me see. That's weekly. Yeah, that's what I said here. 14 naira. 14 naira. 14 naira is a support level. So far so good. 14 naira is a support level, but it's not at 15. Let me see whether we have good data on the daily. We have good daily data. Yes. Okay. Yes, that's it. Last week the price is coming back. Price is coming back to 14. In fact, I'll stick to 14 naira. Only 14 naira for Guinness. 14 naira for Guinness, between 13 to 14. 13 to 14 naira for Guinness. I think I'll prefer 14 naira. Okay, the last but not the least is flour mill. Flour mill. Flour mill. Let's see the chart here before we go to investing.com. Flour mill, or if this month ends, that would be a bullish engulf. If this month ends in a boost like this one, and we still have 15 more days to go. Sorry, 10 trading days more to go, and we've already generated bullish engulf. That's positive. That's reversal, the reversal sign for flour mill. Okay, let's go. Let me see it here, so that I can analyze it better. Flour mill monthly, is the data good on the monthly? Oops, terrible. No, I'm not using. Okay, let's stick to this one. Let's go to the weekly. Let's see 9 months data. Yeah, Islamic. Okay, so we have support at 18 naira. Let me see the monthly again. Yes, if I revisit this level, that's 19 naira. Wow, that's 19 naira. I think I'll go for between 18 and 19 for flour mill. 18 naira to 19 naira. 18 naira to 19 naira for flour mill. So we've looked at Nascon, Dangote Sugar, MTN, Cadbury, Unilever, Vitafoam. I'm not recommending that. Nigerian breweries, Guinness, and flour mill. All right, so those are the stocks we'll be reviewing under the consumer goods for this week. If you have any comments or you want to know why and how we selected the stocks we just reviewed, click on the on the link in the description section, where we describe the weekly, where we review the weekly data for the Nigeria Stock Exchange. Uh, there we explain better how we selected the stocks. Okay, thank you very much for taking the time to watch the videos. Uh, I see you. If you have any comment, drop it below, and remember to subscribe. I see you next week. Thank you very much. Bye.